Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you've all been safe during this crazy time. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating a pink graphic liner look that I saw online, and I had to recreate it myself because I love pink and everything about pink. I'm also going to be using a bit of gold shimmers and glitters to create a really cool look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So before I dip the brush into the pink liner, I wanted to get a feel of the Suva Beauty brush and figure out the placement of the liner. This was important so I could get a guideline of where the liner will be and where the gold shimmers will go on my eyelid. And also making sure that I'm not making my eyes look any smaller than they are. For this look today, I'm creating a double liner effect with the Suva Beauty Hydra Fix liner in Scrunchie. Typically I would have gone in with an eyeshadow first, but before committing to the liner. But today I was feeling a bit adventurous and just went straight in. The brush I'm using today is the Suva Beauty brush in number 20. Since I was happy with the placement of the liner, I'm going in with the Louise base to get a base of the gold shadow and also clean up the liner if I needed to. You know how you always have one favorite side, or one favorite brow, or etc. etc. That's me today. I like my other side way better. The liner on that side wasn't as thick as the one on this side, but hey, that's okay. We've got Louise base. I'm now just taking the shade Fairy from the ABH Soft Glam palette and applying this on top of the Louise base. I love this palette so much and I can't recommend this enough. I've been using it for years now and it's such a beautiful palette. The colors are amazing, the shimmers are amazing, like holy moly pigmented. And yeah, so that's like the perfect palette. Anyway. I could have finished the look here with just a fairy shade on my lid, but I was feeling extra as usual, and so I decided to take some gold loose glitter and put it on top of the fairy shade. Using the Too Faced glitter primer, I've just put it on the fairy shade. So now that the look is done, I'm actually quite happy with how it looks. And I was like feeling a bit like, ooh, like what else can I do? So I went in and I thought I could maybe add an ombre effect. So I took a pink pencil liner. You can use any, mine's from Decay, and I took this into my crease, but just only went quarter in. I don't want to take away from the Suva Beauty liner, and I think it was the perfect combination. I was so amazed with how this look came out. I was like in love. So now that the look's actually done and I'm really like, oh my god, like in love, it was just time to put on some lashes, and of course I love putting on lashes. I think it's just the cherry on top for any makeup look. And I used the Benefit They're Real mascara, and the lashes I've put on are the Extra Beauty Faux Mink lashes in Fantasy. These lashes complemented the look so much because these lashes weren't heavy, and they didn't take away from the look, and it was just the perfect combination. And I was just so happy. Everything was just going as planned. Now that my lashes are on, I quickly went back and put on some highlighter because there's never enough highlighter, of course, and boom, that is the look completed. But yeah guys, that's the look complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and in the comment section let me know if you like this video and what next you want to see from me. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next one. Bye.